Yeah, it's recording now, so keep going. Yep, you got him. Ooh. Nice box. I don't think we got that on the first one. So this is a second Jackaroo turbo. The first one had a wobble in the bearing. So, and I'm talking about within 30 kilometres we noticed the bits, yeah, that's the same as before. Yeah, just grab that one out, that's him. What we want to check is the, see if the new one also has the same. Is it a bearing or what do you call it in there?
A bush in these things.
A bush in these. Let's have a look. It's a brand new from the factory. So I had to pay for a second one, but they did me a good price, even though the first one they admitted was faulty, and it had only done 30 kilometres. So, yep, all looking good from the factory. Yep. Well, do you want to try that end or the other end? We'll look at the other end. Big question. Does this one have any play in it? Does it play? Or is that your fingers moving?
No, it's play.
It's what?
There's play.
No way.
You're kidding. Brand new one out of the box.
So the 30-year-old one has no play in it at all, the original one that's done.
Try and get the camera down into this fin.
Yeah. Okay.
And you'll see.
Hang on.
Look at that.
Hang on. I'll hold my hand still to the body. Hang on.
Okay, so the cap should be.
Yep.
Hang on, let me just. It'll be this fin right here.
Yep. Oh yes, it's only touching
So the
the
play it. That's incredible. That's brand spanker.
Straight from the box. So although we did 30 kilometres before we checked the other one because we didn't think a brand new one would be stuffed, looks like this one is also just a stuff. Hang on, you wobble the back of it and I'll hold the front. Hang on, let me get myself braced. Yep, go.
Is that moving? No way.
Brand new from the box. So the other one was clearly just a stuff from the box. These are stuff from the factory. Oh, that's worse than the one we're replacing.
Hang on, let me do shaft play. Hang on.
Shaft play.
Shaft play.
Does it go that way as well?
There's a little bit of shaft play, but it's a turbo. So this thing's travelling 20,000 RPMs a minute. Doing that inside of that would shave engine, pour it through your engine.
Yeah, it's going to kill the engine. Can't trust that. Brand new.
That.
There we go.
That is a bust.
Yeah, she's stuffed, just like the other one. So it was stuffed all along.
Stuffed.
Well, there we go.
That's